Bonjour à tous. Je suis le docteur Franz Lang, and I'm here to teach you correct pronunciations in French, as well as in many other languages. This French nickname translates to the elephants, referring to the Ivory Coast national football team, and it is pronounced this way.
Les éléphants. Les éléphants.
Notice the smooth linking sound between the two words, where the normally silent S is pronounced like a Z to connect with the following vowel.
Les éléphants. Les éléphants. Les éléphants.
All right. If you enjoy learning about pronunciations, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more pronunciation guides from around the world. Join us on this linguistic journey and stay tuned. Find more on youpronounce.it. Tschüss.